Welcome back. So we have created user script for load balancer server. So this is the same script which we have used for NFS server, except some changes which we have done at the bottom, wherein we have to install HA proxy, and for installing HA proxy we have to upgrade the server to upgrade the package, and for updating the package, this command will upgrade the packages in the server. When we upgrade these packages, there will be an interactive prompt which will come, and then we have to handle it using script. We are handling this using script. We have created a function, and using that function we are handling that thing. So yeah, so we have created a function. Press OK, and we are waiting for 5 seconds. After that, we'll press OK, and then we are installing expect module. Using expect module, we will need expect module in our system, wherein this system when this upgrade command will run, it will update the packages in the system, and when it upgrades the packages in the system, it will prompt to click on OK on the screen. We are handling it using expect module. It will press OK, and then we are after this we are installing HA proxy server, and after installation of HA proxy server, we are fetching the private IP of master nodes using this command, and using this variable, and saving that in the variable master nodes, all master nodes. And these master nodes, these are the naming convention which we have used it here. Master 0 will be master 1 is master 1, master 2 is master 2. Saving it in a variable, and after that we are using a variable to save the configuration file. This is the configuration file. Let's see. This is the configuration file which we are supposed to have for HA proxy server. This configuration we are saving it in a variable. We are writing it into a variable, and then we are calling that variable using echo variable name, and then we are saving that all this content in HA proxy CFG file. After that we are restarting the HA proxy, and we are enabling the HA proxy server. That's how the master server IPs are copied onto a configuration file. That's how the functionality will happen using this script. And this is a user script which will be attaching it to load balancer server. That's all about this video.